Good day, everyone. Today, our group will be discussing Topic 1 Technical Publications. This topic drives safety, order, and precision in aviation. You will see how every aircraft depends on clear instructions, how engineers follow these documents to avoid errors, and how airlines use them to meet strict regulatory standards. We will also tackle how technical publications keep every task consistent from simple inspections to complex repairs. This sets the foundation for our entire discussion.
In the dynamic world of aviation, where precision and safety are paramount, the importance of technical publications cannot be overstated. Technical publications serves as the cornerstone for establishing and maintaining airworthiness of aerospace systems.
The aviation industry operates under a web of stringent regulations to guarantee the safety of air travel. Technical publications acts as a compass, guiding industry professionals through the intricate landscape of regulatory requirements. Technical publications in aviation provide essential documentation required for aircraft operation and maintenance. These documents serve as an official source of information for engineers, mechanics, and flight operators, ensuring 1. Compliance with industry regulations, 2. Continued airworthiness of the aircraft, 3. Safe and efficient aircraft operation, and 4. Standardized procedures for maintenance and troubleshooting.
These documents provide a comprehensive framework for compliance, covering everything from design and manufacturing standards to operational and maintenance procedures.
Technical publications in aircraft engineering are documents providing essential information for the operation, maintenance, and repair of the aircraft, ensuring they meet the safety and airworthiness standards. Key examples include the Aircraft Maintenance Manual or the AMM, Structural Repair Manual or the SRM, and various service bulletins and airworthiness directives, which guide mechanics and engineers through tasks. These publications can be digital or paper based and are crucial for regulatory compliance, maintenance planning, and maintaining the aircraft's commercial value.
Technical publications are critical documents in the aviation industry that provide precise and up to date guidance for the operation, maintenance, and troubleshooting of aircraft. They serve as an authoritative reference for all personnel involved, including pilots, maintenance technicians, and engineers, ensuring that everyone adheres to standardized procedures and protocols. This standardization helps minimize human error, maintain safety, and comply with regulatory requirements set by authorities such as the Federal Aviation Administration or FAA and the European Union Aviation Safety Agency or EASA.
To be able to receive and categorize documents, such as but not limited to airworthiness directives, service bulletins, AMM, IPC, SRM, CMM, wiring diagram, illustrated tools, FCOMs, and related flight operation documents such as bulletin, TRs, OEBs, and equipment list, flight manuals, weight and balance manuals, product standards, material standards, process standard, engineering drawing, EOs, supplemental manuals, service letters, type certificate data sheets, supplemental type certificates, as well as any other materials specified by the organization.
In today's aviation industry, airline libraries are digital systems used to store important documents like maintenance manuals and service bulletins. Two crucial features of these systems are revision control and access control. Revision control means tracking changes to documents over time. Meanwhile, access control manages who can view, download, edit, or approve documents. Revision control refers to the process of tracking changes to documents over time. Every time a manual or report is updated, the system logs to the new versions, including a reference number, date, and sometimes notes on the changes made. Outdated or old versions are flagged or removed so that only the most recent information is used during maintenance and flight operations. Meanwhile, access control manages who can view, download, edit, or approve documents. This ensures that only authorized airline staffs, such as licensed engineers or quality managers, can make edits to crucial documents. Others may only have permission to read the documents, preventing unauthorized or accidental changes.
Using outdated manuals can lead to errors, so technicians must rely on the most current approved documents. Aviation regulators such as the FAA and EASA mandate that the airlines maintain accurate and up-to-date records. Tracking revisions and access allows auditors to monitor changes, supporting safety and regulatory compliance.
The technical publication controls process ensures that all relevant maintenance data, such as manuals, bulletins, airworthiness directives, and many more, is current, accurate, and properly managed. Organizations must establish procedures to continuously control the amendment status of maintenance data, verify that updates are received, make data available to maintenance personnel, and remove or archive obsolete versions.
A structured process used by maintenance organizations, MROs, airlines, CAMOs to manage all technical and regulatory documentation, ensuring the latest correct versions of manuals, service bulletins, airworthiness directives, and related data are used. Under EASA Part 145, for example, organizations are required to establish procedures for updating, distributing, and archiving maintenance data.
For example, without proper control of publications, two technicians might unknowingly use different versions of a component maintenance manual, or CMM, to repair the same aircraft part. One may use outdated torque values, while the others follow updated procedures. By enforcing strict control over the publication process, ensuring only the latest approved manuals are accessible. Maintenance teams prevent inconsistent repairs and avoid potential safety risks, thereby ensuring all work aligns with current standards and regulations.
Aircraft maintenance documentation distribution ensures that mechanics, engineers, and inspectors always have the latest technical and regulatory documents they need. This includes updated manuals, service bulletins, and certification records. By controlling how these documents are distributed and accessed, maintenance teams can avoid using outdated information, thereby helping to protect aircraft safety and ensure compliance with aviation regulations.
Technical manuals are created or updated by manufacturers or regulators, then uploaded into a central digital platform. Access is controlled by user roles, and automated alerts notify staffs of updates. All distribution is tracked for accountability, ensuring only qualified personnel use the correct current documents.
Documentation is guided by the Safety Management System, which has four pillars: safety policy, risk management, assurance, and promotion. It begins with the SMS manual, which outlines responsibilities and procedures. Key documents include hazard reports, risk assessments, training records, and audit logs. For maintenance, strict adherence to manuals like the Aircraft Maintenance Manual and instructions for continued airworthiness ensures safety and compliance.
We hope this presentation gave you a clearer understanding of the essential topics related to aviation publications. Once again, thank you for your time and attention. Today, we have invited an honored guest to enlighten us with his knowledge and tackle more in line with our topics that we have discussed.
Today, we are honored to have with us a very special guest, a licensed aircraft mechanic currently working in Abu Dhabi. We truly appreciate his time and willingness to share his experience in the aviation field. So, without further ado, let us begin. Good evening, sir. So,
Good
first off,
evening, everyone. Yes.
evening,
Mm.
sir. So, first off, what is your name po? What company are you currently working in and current position?
Okay, so I'm Stephen Matthew Belano. Right now, I'm working for Sanad Aerotech. Sanad Aerotech is a engine MRO, mainly focusing on aircraft engines. I'm working as a principal technician or a supervisor for the engine maintenance overhaul department of the company.
All right, thank you, sir.
Mm.
So for our topic, sir, we have technical publications. What can you say about this, sir? Maybe you can share some insights about this, sir.
For documentation, generally, a process of gathering all maintenance repair plan, all repairs, all alterations, all maintenance program are mandated to be stored in such a way that it should never be altered or cannot be damaged and cannot be taken by anyone.
Thank you so much, sir, for that
Mm,
additional information. For
mm.
additional knowledge, sir, can you explain all about the EASA
Okay.
145?
Okay, so EASA Part 145. So if the organization is under EASA Part 145, so it is mandated to follow all airworthiness procedure. Okay. The things under the airworthiness procedure. So you have all the certificate for the alteration, the documentation of the repair plan, all the serviceable and unserviceable labels. When you say Part 145, by the way, it's part of EASA. It's within the European airworthiness standards.
Thank you so much for that, sir, Stephen. Can we have a short inspirational message for whole class, sir?
Okay. So dedicate yourself into safety and quality. So as early as now, I urge you to become the best versions of yourselves, so that when you go to the field, um, you'll be prepared and you'll be one of the pioneers. You'll be the pillars of safety for the aircraft for the aviation industry. Our hands translate into the safety of 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 other people. Okay, so just do your best, and God will do the rest.
Thank you so much for that, Mr.
Mm,
Stephen Matthew Balano. We thank you and we
mm.
appreciate your time and expertise on sharing your insights and all of our
Okay.
knowledge. Again, thank you so much, Mr. Stephen.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.